Hello everyone, this is Aida Kolami from Agrimet Research Company, and today I'm going to teach you how to use Countif in Excel. So first you can see I have a column of data, I have some numbers, and I have some text here. For using Countif function, I need to put an equal, typing the Countif and find it right here, defining my range, put a comma, and then defining my criteria. So here for your criteria, you need to first put a quotation mark. So don't forget that, because in any other way it doesn't work. So put your quotation mark, then you can use any signs for defining the criteria. For example, I want to count the cells bigger than some specific data. For example, bigger than 2. Okay, I close the quotation mark, then close the parentheses, and that's it. I have 8 cells being bigger than 2. So then, for example, I want to count cells being equal to 2. Okay, I can either put an equal again, writing 2, then close the quotation mark, close the parentheses, and enter. I have 2 cells being 2. Or another thing I can do for the same goal is to just put 2 in the middle of the quotation marks, enter, and the answer is again 2. If I want to count cells including some specific text, or in a better way, if I want to explain, if I want to count cells being the specific text equaling to a specific text, I will make an equal mark again, typing the Countif, and then define my range, and then put a comma, and then for the criteria I will open the quotation marks. For example, here I write area, so I want to see how many cells I have with the specific tag of area, then close the parentheses, and I can see that I have 1 cell being area. That's it for today's video. I hope you all learned something new. Please don't forget to give this video a thumb up and subscribe to Agrimet channel. I will see you in the next video, and bye.